Want fresh, homegrown veggies even in fall? Don't pack up those garden tools just yet. With the right choices and a few simple tips, your garden can thrive in cooler weather. So dive into what to plant, how to prepare, and the best ways to keep your fall garden growing strong. How to plant a fall garden. Start by removing any summer plants that won't survive cooler weather. Gently pull them up from the roots to keep your soil healthy. Next, add 2-3 inches of compost for a nutrient boost. A handful of bone meal or organic fertilizer will give your plants essential nutrients, then water well to settle everything in. What to plant in a fall garden. Fall is perfect for cool weather champs like kale, spinach, radishes, and carrots. These thrive in cooler temps and taste even better in fall. Plant seeds 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep, cover lightly with soil, and remember to space them out. Root veggies like radishes can be close, while leafy greens like kale need room to spread. When to plant a fall garden. Timing is everything. Start sowing seeds in late summer or early fall based on frost dates. Stagger planting every 1-2 weeks for a steady harvest. Pick leafy greens as soon as they're big enough to eat and leave root veggies like carrots in a bit longer. Protect plants with a row cover for added frost protection. How to fertilize a fall garden. For a fall garden, go light but frequent with fertilizer. A balanced organic fertilizer like a 555 NPK every 2-3 weeks works great. Just sprinkle it around each plant and water right after to help nutrients reach the roots. How to water a fall garden. Cooler temps mean less watering. Deep soak once or twice a week, aiming for about 1 inch of water weekly. Check soil before watering to avoid overwatering. If it's still moist 1 inch down, wait. Remember, fall plants prefer underwatering to prevent root rot. With these tips, you're ready to enjoy a thriving fall garden in Zone 3. Get those seeds in, keep your soil happy, and enjoy fresh veggies all season long. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep growing even as the weather cools down. Happy planting!